compound interest plays a very important role when you compare to the simple interest is considered. The difference between compound interest minus simple interest is 54.90. Let the principal is equal to 100. For 10,000 principal money, interest is 432 for 1 year. Hello my dear student, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania. Call my name Dr. B.S.S. Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to hand Quantitative Technique, 4th semester, Unit 4, Session 3 in favor of B.B.A. So today we are going to discuss commercial arithmetic. We already seen in the last session about the 2 problems. We are going to discuss another 5 or 6 problems about that. We'll move on to problem now. About the compound interest. The compound interest is calculated at a regular interval like annually, yearly, semi-annually, monthly. We calculate because simple interest is going to calculate only for 1 year, whereas the compound interest is going to calculate yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly. It is compounded. That means first principal money plus interest in the second year, principal plus interest. On that we are going to calculate the interest. Here, what is the compound interest? Reinvested in the income of investment makes the money grow faster. So 100 rupees plus interest is 110, 110. On 110 we are going to calculate. Does the money, banks or any financial organization calculate the amount? So here it is used by the bank or any financial organization. So compound interest plays a very important role when you compare to the simple interest is considered. So we'll move on to problem. At what rate compound interest per annum? Simple interest, they say, per annum. Simple interest will a sum of money double itself in 5 years. Let principal money, that is P, is equal to 100. And a sum of money double itself. So A 200 double in N 5 years. So he wants what is R. So here are simple interest is equal to PTR over 100 per annum. Simple interest is sum of money. So what he wants, R PTR 100 into SI. 100 become 200 means, so interest is, therefore interest is 200. So principal money 100, double means 200, your interest is 100. 100 divided by SI divided by, if you have got PT. R is equal to, you can say that R is equal to 100 into SI divided by PT. 100. What's your interest? Also 100. What's your principal money? 100. How many years taken? 5 years. 20%. Your rate is 20%. So per annum, simple interest is sum of money double itself. Let the P is equal to 100. A is equal to double means 200. So earn interest of how much? 200 minus 100 is 100 rupees. So simple interest equal to PTR over 100. Cross multiply PTR into 100 into SI. R is equal to 100 into SI divided by PT. 100 into SI is also 100 divided by P into 100. 100 cancel. So it is works out 20%. So you hope understand this form. What is the per annum? But simple interest they will ask. A sum of money double. What I assume, no? That the principal is equal to 100. And double means 200 is the amount we require. The difference 100 rupees is the interest. I apply simple interest equal to PTR over 100, R is equal to 20%. So we'll move on to next one. The difference between simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum of money for 5 years at 3% was 54.90. So compound interest minus simple interest the difference between the simple interest and compound interest for a certain sum of money is called 54.90 is there. So here percentage is given, here no, 5 years is given. Let principal is equal to 100. First, we want, in order to differentiate, we want simple interest, we want compound interest. We will go with the simple interest. PTR over 100. What's your principal money? 100. What's your time? 5 years. Rate? 3. 15 rupees. So come back to compound interest. P into 1 plus R over 100 to the power of n minus p. 100 into 1 plus. What's your rate? 3 divided by 100. How many years? 5 years. This is 100 into 1.03 to the power of 5 minus 100. This is 100. 1.03. How many times? 5 times. 1.03 one time into 1.03 2 times into 1.03 3 times into 1.03 4 times 1.03 one time into 1.03 2 times into 1.03 3 times into 1.03 4 times into 1.03 5 times. So it is 1.15927 minus 100. Multiplied by 100, 115.92 minus 100, 15.92. Compound interest. So simple interest is 15, compound is 15.92. Come back. Compound interest minus simple interest, 15.92 minus 15, 0.92. So if the difference is 0.92, principal is equal to 100. Therefore, what's the difference? The problem says difference is 54.90 is equal to 100 divided by 0.92 into 54.90. 100 into 54.90 divided by 0.92. 5,967.39. How I did know? See that? The difference between compound interest minus simple interest is 54.90. Let the principal is equal to 100. SI is equal to PTR over 100. 100 into 5 by it is 15 rupees. Compound interest P is equal to 1 plus R over 100 to the power of minus AB. 100, 1.03 to the power of 5. So 100, 1.15927, 115.92 minus 100 is 15.92. Difference? 15.92 minus 15 is 0.92. If the difference is 0.92, principal is equal to 100. For 54.90, it is 5,967.39. This is a way we have to do it. Hope you understand this. Same thing. We'll do one more problem, same thing. The difference between simple interest and compound interest for a certain sum of money for 2 years at 4% per annum was 48. So compound interest minus simple interest is equal to 48. Let principal money rupees 100. Let principal money is equal to rupees 100. Simple interest PTR divided by 100. Let the principal is 100. How many years? 2 years. What's your rate? 4, 8. This is as per simple interest. Compound interest P 1 plus R over 100 to the power of n minus P 100 1 plus 4 divided by 100. How many years? 2 years. 100 1.04 to the power of 2 minus 100. 1.04 into 1.04. So 100. 1.0816 minus 100. 108.16 into 100. 8.16. Compound interest. Come back. CI minus SI. 8.16 minus 8 is 0.16. For 0.16 principal is equal to 100. Therefore, for rupees 48, 100 divided by 0.16 into 48. This is same thing we are doing. 100 into 48 divided by 0.16. 30,000. Is the value. 30,000. Sum of 30,000. Same type we have done it. Simple interest minus compound interest 0.6. 0.6 is equal to 100. We have done this. What rate will be 970 earns 500 as interest in 5 years? So P is equal to 970. A is equal to 970 plus interest earned 500. So 970 plus 500, 1470 as interest. N is equal to 5 years. Rate. When rate is missing, use log table. We'll go with the log table now. We'll go with the log table. We'll go with the log table. Apply. A is equal to P 1 plus R over 100 to the power of N. So 1470. What's your principal money? 970 into 1 plus R we don't know. R over 100. How many years? 5 years. R 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 5 is equal to 1470 divided by 970. We can write like this. 1470 divided by 970. or 1 plus r over 100 to the power of 5 divide, this is 1470 divided by 970 divided by 9, 1470 divided by 970. 1470 divided by 970. 1.5154, 1.5155, 1.5155. Taking log on both sides, 5 log 1 point r over 100 is equal to log 1.5155. Ignore log now. Great. 1 point r over 100. See the log. If we see the logarithm, for 1 is equal to 0. For 15, you have to see the, for one characteristic, it's called 0. It becomes 15,155. On 15, you have to see the 1, 1, 7, 15. For this, 15,155. So 1 means 0. On 15, 1, 1790. For 5, mean difference is 14. So 1804, see the calculation, 1804 as per the calculation. Here we got. So 0.1804. 0.1804. So we get as per the Clark's table. So 1 plus r over 100, 0.1804 divided by 5. This 5 I have written. So 1 plus r over 100 divide 1.1, 0.1804 divided by 5, 0.036. So anti-logarithm of this 1 plus r over 100, anti-log of 0.036. If you see the anti-log of this 0.36, 1086. 1086. What's behind here now? 0 means 1 log. 1.086. 1 plus r over 100. Anti-log of this is 1.086. You take the one that side, r over 100. 1.086 minus 1. R over 100. Deduct. This is 0.086. R is equal to 100 into 0.086. 100 into 0.086. 100 into 0.086. 8.6%. So what's the procedure? This is a log table which I have used. You have to see the log. If you have got 2 digits, you have the log with you. What's the procedure? If you have got a log, if there are 2 digits, 1 characteristics, 1 digit 0 again, and you are doing the log is n minus 1 Anti-log is n plus 1. What's the log? N minus 1 and anti-log n plus 1. So what I did know, I find out the log to this. Log is 0.1804 divided by 5, 0.03. I find out the anti-log this. Anti-log is 1086. So 1 plus r over 100, 1.086. Because behind the number 1086 is there. 84 or 86. 1086 I have got. I put the 0.06 is 1.84 or 1.06, nothing, same we have got. Then what it is, behind the number is, you have got 0, 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 1.086, deduct 0.086 multiplied by 100 is 8.6%. Hope you understand this. In what rate of compound interest will a sum of rupees 500 become 578.11 in 3 years? So what rate? Given P is equal to 500, A is equal to 578.11, N is equal to 3 years, R is equal to what? When the rate is missing, what to do? You have to use the logarithm table. Compound interest is equal to, what's the formula? A is equal to P 1 plus R over 100 to the power of n. What's your A? 578.11. What's your principal money? 500 into 1 plus R over 100. How many years? 3 years. Or 1 plus R over 100. This is 578.11 divided by 500. Take the logarithm and divide. So 578, I am utilizing the logarithm table. 578 divided by 78.11. 578.11 divided by 500. 1.15622. 1.15622. I will repeat. I will see that 578.11 divided by 500. 1.15622. 1 plus R over 100. 1.5622. Taking log 3 log 1 plus R over 100 is equal to log 1.5622. 622 in 15, you have to see the 6. 1931, 2 mean difference, 6. 1937. 578 divided by 0.11 divided by 500. 1.15622. Log of this 1.15622. 1.15622 log to this, convert log to this. So 1.1562, 1 plus R over 100. So log to this. In 11, 5 you have to see that. In 11, you have to see the 5. Not 6, not 7. So 0, 0.0637 0.0637. So 1 plus r over 100, 0.0637 divided by 3, 1 plus r over 100, divide 0.0637 divided by 3, not 2 divided by 3, not 211, not 211 is there, not 211 is there. Then 1 plus r over 100, anti-log 0.0211. See the anti-log, not 211. If you see the anti-log, not 211, so it is not 211, 1050. Behind his 0 means 1.050. 1 plus r over 100 is equal to 1.050. R over 100, 1.050 minus 1. R over 100, 0.050. R is equal to 100 into 0.050. It works out 5%. I will explain once again how we did know. 578.11, it is 115622. 11562. Log to this, no, 0.0637 divided by 2, then it's 0.021. Anti-log of 0.021 is 1050. Behind number is 0 means 1.50. R over 100, 1.90. 1 I have taken this. R over 100 is 0.050. R is equal to 100 into 0.90 is equal to 5%. If you want, I can repeat this. 578 divided by 500 is 115622. Log of this is 0.0637 divided by 3. It will work out 0.0211. Anti-log of this is 0.0211 is 1050. So 1 over here, this is 1 plus r over 100 is equal to 1.050. I took r over 100 is equal to 1.050 is equal to 1. R over 100 is 0.0. R is equal to 5%. Simplification I have done. Then, a sum of money invested in compound interest amount to rupees 10,806 at the end of the second year and 11,248.64 at the end of the third year. So, third year, interest is 11,248.64. Second year, interest 10,816. Deduct so interest for 1 year. Interest for 1 year. So for rupees 10,816, interest 432.64 for 1 year. For 10,800, interest is 432.6 for 1 year. Apply now. Simple interest is equal to PTR over 100. What's your principal money? 10,816. Time is 1 year. Rate of interest we don't know. Rate of interest R divided by PTR divided by this amount. 10,196 is figurization. So 432.61 So you want R, or you can say R is equal to 100 into SI divided by PT 100. What's your simple interest is here now? 432.60 divided by your principal money is 10,816 into time is 1 year. R is equal to 100 into SI divided by. So 100 is R is equal to 100. Let the principal money 100. 100 into 432.60 divided by 10,816 into 1. So this is 43,004 lakh. So multiply this for 43,260. 432.64. So 43,264 divided by 10,816. So 43,264 divided by 10,816. 43,264 divided by 10816. It is 4%. 4. So principal money is equal to A divided by 1 plus R over 100 to the power of how many years are there? Here no. How many years are there? 2 years. Underline this. N is equal to 2 years. You have to find out the principal money. What's your amount now? 10,816. 1 plus R is equal to 4 over 100. This is 10,816. 1.04 to the power of 4. 10,816. 1.04 into 1.04. 1.04 into 1.04. 1.0816. Divide. 10,000. So how I apply? See that? Third year interest is 11,248.64. Second year interest is 10,816, 432.64. For 10,000 principal money, interest is 432 for 1 year. R is equal to 100 into SI divided by PT. R is equal to, let principal 100. 432.64 divided by 1016. It will work out 4%. Then P is equal to A divided by 1 plus R over 100 to the power of 2. 10,816 divided by 1 plus 4 over 100. So 1.04 whole square. 10,816 divided by 1.0816. It works out 10,000. This is the way you have to work out. Hope you understand. We are solved all type of, but you have to utilize the log table. If you are at 2 digits, 1, you have to take, first you have to find out the log and divide by through anti-log. You have to see that in the anti-log, no, n plus 1, log n minus 1, anti-log n plus 1. You have to use the logarithm table. In the exam, they will give the log table. I utilize the log table. Hope you understand. I solved about 6 to 7 problems of different type. Hope you have followed. We'll have some more class in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.